I'm Atul Dodia, an artist from Bombay. Happy to be here in Cochin to see the venue and planning what should go where and how I should be exhibit my work. So that's the plan, and that's why I'm here today. It's wonderful to be here in Cochin because of the city itself. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful in terms of architecture, in terms of the greenery, the landscape, and the sea, the water body which is around. And I can't say how much happy I am here to be. Not just only because of the Biennale is happening here, which is of course one of the greatest thing to happen for contemporary art in India today. But I must tell you that most of my friends, artist friends, are from Kerala. It's a large group of artists coming from Kerala. Many young, just passed out from art school, and some my contemporaries, and also seniors. So I know them. I myself don't speak Malayalam, but I know them. I know my friends. I know their approach, their work, the whole art world in itself. Of Kerala. It's in itself a kind of one could say that it's an entity in itself. So to see the people, the general common people, the kind of people come in their art, the way they treat their subject matter, all that which I am so familiar, to see them, to meet them here again, it is wonderful. What can one say about the city of Cochin, historical city, the trade, etc. As far as my work is concerned, and as far as my work in this Biennale is concerned, is something which I am excited. I have been working, essentially I'm a painter. I see myself as a painter, and most of the things which I conceive, I perceive, they go against wall, like the way painting goes against wall. So I find it very difficult to conceive something which floats in a space, like a sculptor would do, a sculpture, which one would see from all sides or a few sides or whatever. But in short, I feel that my vision is a painter's vision, and for that, but I don't just do paintings on oil, on canvas, or works on paper like watercolors, but there are different material mediums which I have been using last 10-12 years, particularly works on roller shutter, the shop shutters, which goes up and down, and when it goes up, you see another image inside. So there are series of shutter works which I have done. I have also done an installation with cabinets which goes against wall, and they are like kind of curiosity cabinets or archival cabinets which one sees in a small town memorial museums. I do feel attempting working in sometime in film medium and photography as well. So it's really quite late now, but I must say that I am excited about the venues which I saw here, the spaces which I saw, and they were mind blowing, absolutely. Not that the organizers and the friends are here around and you feel good with them, but they're actually some of the finest and most beautiful spaces which I saw. So I feel that the idea with which I have come here, a large photographic installation which I'm thinking, but at the same time, before that I had another project in mind for the Kochi Biennale. So even that has now suddenly has come and has come close to my heart, and I'm just wondering and got a bit dilemma that what I should be doing. But I think certainly something very exciting will happen. I think we certainly need, India definitely, it was a high time that This Biennale is happening. It's a non-commercial Biennale. I mean, all over the world people will come. But actually, let me tell you very frankly about artists belong to this country here in India, that this is going to definitely help in many ways, at least Indian art scene. I am sure the artists from all over the world will come here, will be exhibiting, and it will be wonderful to see their work as well. We all go to see Documenta and Venice Biennale and various Triennales and Biennales, but I think for the locals, the general public, a large community of art, student of art, and the younger artists, contemporary friends, etc., those who are in Biennale, those who are not in Biennale, whoever. But I think this is going to change in a big way. I feel that very strongly. Thank you.